Hello everyone and welcome. In this video I'm going to walk you through how to unlock your rapid pay card through the mobile app. So the first step you need to take is to open the rapid pay card mobile app on your device. Then log into your account using your username and password. Tap on account or card. Look for the lock or unlock card option and tap on it. Next, you have to follow the prompt to unlock your card. I want to give you some important things to note. 1. We have what they call unlocking requirements. You may need to provide security information or answer verification questions to unlock your card. If your card is locked due to suspicious activity or security concerns, you may need to resolve the issue with customer service before unlocking your card. Unlocking your card may take a few minutes to an hour depending on the method you choose. By following these steps, you should be able to unlock your rapid pay card